So Hanson held our annual Shadow Hanson event, and this is an event that is geared towards our high school students in our local and surrounding areas.
Yeah, there was a lot to learn from here. I mean, we got like a flood simulator, we got a road planner, bridge constructions, underground work stuff. There's a lot to choose from.
I would encourage students to look into to become an engineer. Civil engineer, mechanical engineer, it doesn't make any difference. We need more engineers.
There's one thing I want each and every one of you to know. Ready? Today is all about you. We are here to help you learn about the wonderful world of engineering. And you are going to take away so many great things that are going to help you where you are in your high school career now, but then the goal is for life.
The coolest thing I saw today was the way that flooding works inside a community and the different implications that they have to ensure that it does not flood over, and if it does, what they can do to fix it.
So obviously this is the only world we have, so we have to start engineering new solutions to the problems that we're facing and new ways to face these issues so that they don't keep continuing.
The advice I would give students who are interested in engineering or STEM, a career in engineering and STEM, you're always going to have a job. There's always going to be work to be done. It's very rewarding work as well. You get to see the fruits of your labor. It's a great time to be an engineer.